To install the Unreal Engine plugin, open the Epic Games launcher and navigate to the Fab portal. In the search bar, type Charon. When it appears, add it to your library. In the Format field, select Unreal Engine. Click the Install Plugin button. Select your engine version. For this tutorial, we will use version 5.7. Then click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Along with the plugin itself, you will also need the .NET SDK version 8 or later. You can find download links in the video description. Next, open your Unreal Engine project. If your project is Blueprint only, you will need to convert it to a C++ project. To do this, open the Tools menu and select Add C++ class. Choose the empty class template. Give it a name or keep the default name, My Class. Then click Create Class. This step converts your project from Blueprint only into a Blueprint and C++ project. Now that the project is configured, we need to enable the plugin. Go to Tools, then Plugins. Search for Charon. Enable the plugin by checking the box next to its name. To verify the plugin is active, right-click inside any folder in the Content drawer window. Select Miscellaneous. Then look for the option Game Data. If this item appears and the creation menu opens successfully, the plugin is installed and ready to use.